More news coming in. Milind Deora slamming UBT Sena and the MNS. BMC results have put an end to the soap opera of Mumbai politics. Milind Deora said city prefers progress and accountability over melodrama and masala. That is what is being said at this point in time by Milind Deora. Rejecting melodrama and masala. These are people of Mumbai who have voted. BMC results putting an end to the soap opera of Mumbai politics is what he said. Taking a dig and a jibe there at the Thackeray brothers. Listen in to what he said.
Firstly, let me say as a Mumbaikar, I'm very, very grateful to the people of Mumbai for voting for change, for voting for accountability, for voting for development, not for voting for the drama perpetuated by two brothers. Today it's very clear that there are only two brothers in Mumbai's politics. That's Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. Their last name is development. And I'm confident that in the years to come, with a government in the centre, with a government in the state, and with a government in the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, which is the largest and the richest civic body in the country, we will bring development to the people of Mumbai. We will restore the city's lost shine and glory, and we will ensure that our preeminent place as the country's commercial and cultural capital is not just retained but sustained and
A jibe that has now been taken at the opposition, particularly at the Thackerays. Hrithik, who came together, much talked about alliance between the MNS Raj Thackray and Uddhav Thackeray. However, that failed completely in winning the faith of the people in Mumbai, isn't it? Hrithik. We'll just go back to him in a moment from now, and we stay with these pictures of celebration at this point in time on your screens. Milind Deora has spoken about rejecting the alliance of the Thackeray brothers, Uddhav Thackeray and of Raj Thackray. Remember, Shiv Sena UBT joined hands with the MNS to fight the elections in fight the civic body elections in Mumbai, in the state of Maharashtra. We've heard in fact a section of the Mahayuti talking about the failure of this alliance. Hrithik continues to be with us. I'm going to go back to him. He, of course, is at the BJP office, but we've heard from Milind Deora there taking a jibe at the loss of face, really, for the Thackeray cousins this time around. Hrithik.
Absolutely. The slogans of Jai Shri Ram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai could be heard here, and also we can see the placards in the hands of the party workers saying that Thackeray brand has now been defeated. In Marathi it says Thackeray brandचा वाजलाय band, which means Thackeray brand has been defeated in this election. Also we can see here Devendra Fadnavis is named as Dhurandhar. Devendra Fadnavis is named as Dhurandhar here. And the next placard, if you could see, Mumbai's Mahapaur will be Hindu Marathi is what that placard says, which means that not just Marathi, but a Hindu Marathi mayor will be elected in Mumbai. And this was the main issue of the campaign between the Thackeray brothers and Mahayuti Alliance, that who will be the mayor of Mumbai, who will be elected as a mayor in BMC. So what Thackeray said, they said that they claimed that it will be only Marathi who will be elected as a mayor of Mumbai. Against when BJP said that Khan will be elected as mayor, just like in New York, Zoram Mamdani has been elected. Similarly, same thing will happen in Mumbai, and if Thackerays are elected, Khan will be elected as mayor. But a befitting reply after a huge victory, a clean sweep by BJP in Mumbai BMC, and now the Karyakartas, the party workers, are looking very excited, and they are awaiting here CM Devendra Fadnavis, and at any point of time from now, CM Devendra Fadnavis will be arriving with a grand welcome. He will be welcomed here at BJP headquarters, which will be followed by huge celebrations here.
That's right. We are waiting for, in fact, a word really from Devendra Fadnavis. He's, of course, congratulated the state chief of Maharashtra, the BJP state chief. Of course, a huge victory there for the Mahayuti in these elections.